amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we have day 4 of our Advent calendar unboxing. So like I said in the previous video, I am going to unbox and give you a video leading up until Christmas Eve for the Advent calendar. So these videos may be a little shorter, but I still thought it would be fun to upload them and just to give you guys a sneak peek into the Loops and Bees Market Makes Advent calendar for Christmas. So we are on day 4. I hope you all enjoyed days 1, 2, and 3, which were bind it together because your girl was a little slow, but we are here. So let's get into day 4. As always, this came with a little card that tell us just to have a little fun, enjoy the unboxing, and just getting a gift one day leading up until Christmas every day. Let's go. Loops and Bee. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So I'm all like, whoo. Okay, I'm excited about this one, guys. This is the Parfait Chunky. Like I said prior videos, that the Loops and Bee Advent calendar is all Parfait Chunky yarn. Now, I am excited about the Teddy color yarn because I went on it's going, y'all know it be losing. I say a little tone and come back. So I was on Premier's website looking for one of looking for a couple of these colors because I had an idea of making some other stuff in this color, and I really love this teddy bear color. So I wanted to make like a line of amigurumi in this like teddy bear color to be like my chocolate amigurumi, but they were sold out. So to see this, I'm going to hold on to it until I can get some more. I did put my email in for notifications, so when they do come back in, I can get the email and order some more Parfait Chunky and Teddy Bear. But with that being said, because I went around the corner down the road, and I apologize. So day 4, we have the Parfait Chunky in Teddy Bear, and day 4 also came with some what's it called? Come on. Safety eyes. Listen. Some safety eyes. So they are, I'm not sure what size, but they're the all black safety eyes. You can kind of see here. And it didn't have a pattern or anything with day 4. So I guess this is just like a little trinket that came in with day 4 for just being a part of Advent, a little special gift. So these are actually cute too because I can use these. I make a lot of amigurumi, so they'll come in handy. I'll put these definitely in my safety eye kit. So with that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I am not, because I want y'all to come back for day 5 to see what we got going on in our Christmas Advent calendar. So I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you for day 5 next time.